Hello Patrick people and welcome back. I'm Stephanie, one of the BMW geniuses here at Patrick BMW, and today I'm going to be going over how to initially set up your BMW digital key. Now again, I did make a video on all the requirements and prerequisites that are needed for your digital key to be activated. Just to kind of briefly go over that again, you do need an Android phone that is not on a Verizon network. It has to be on Android Oreo 8 or higher. And you also need comfort access equipped on your vehicle, as well as the BMW connected app installed on your phone. So briefly going over on how to initially activate your BMW digital key account, you do need to have that registered at an authorized BMW dealership, such as Patrick BMW. You also need to have the Connected Drive app downloaded on your phone. And the reason you need to have that set up at an authorized dealership, BMW will give you a 4-digit code that you need to enter into your phone as well as your vehicle if you're going to share your digital key. That'll allow for access for your digital key. One other thing, when you first initially set up your BMW digital key, you do need to have the physical key right here. You need to have your physical key with you in order to initially set up your BMW digital key. Now, once you initially set it up with your physical key, you'll be able to use your smartphone to lock, unlock, and start your vehicle without having to carry around your physical key. So I'm going to put the images up on the screen so you guys can follow along with me. And of course, if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to give us a call or leave a comment down below. Well, let's get right into it. So once you get your digital key account set up with your dealership, like Patrick BMW, you'll have your 4-digit code. Now, you will need that 4-digit code with you along with your physical key and your Connected Drive app open. So we're going to go over the process. Just follow along with me on the screen and let's get right into it. So once you have your BMW Connected Drive app open, you're going to want to go to your main menu, which is the 3 lines at the very top left, and you're going to go down where it says Digital Key. Once you select that, your app will check all the technical requirements and prompts you if the device cannot be enabled for the digital key. If your Connected Drive account isn't authorized yet, you'll need to do this at the dealership. So now the owner, which is going to be the first key, must be installed on the smartphone. Now installation can take a few minutes, but you can put the app in the background to do other things while it's installing. I'm going to now prompt you to activate your digital key, and remember to have your physical key present with you as well to complete activation. Well, thanks so much for following along with me. That was pretty easy. And now you're all set to use your BMW digital key. And again, if you guys have questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more how-to videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, Patrick people.